improve production, reduce downtime, recover frac fluid faster, dewater gas wells. No workover unit or wireline needed. In a closed-loop system, power fluid is injected down the tubing by a pump at the surface. It is then accelerated through a combination of nozzle and mixing tube, and a Venturi effect is created. The resulting pressure drop lifts reservoir fluid past a standing valve, where it is commingled with the power fluid, and then diffused into the annulus and to the surface. With anti-wear coatings and no moving parts downhole, the jet pump has a longer run life than other forms of artificial lift and can handle large amounts of solids and gas. Once at the surface, the fluids are then sent to a power fluid vessel. The power fluid is returned to the surface pump while the produced fluid is sent down the sales line. For optimization or service, the wellhead valves are set to reverse flow mode, and the jet pump carrier is circulated and retrieved at the surface without the need of a workover unit or wireline. A simple one-person job to replace parts and seals, and the well is back in production with minimal downtime. For capital cost savings, a single surface pump can be used to provide power fluid to produce multiple wells. This is achieved by utilizing a multi-well discharge manifold that diverts the required pressure and flow to each well. The patented technology of the new Tech-Flo jet pump delivers low cost of ownership to operators while being the most versatile form of artificial lift in the industry.